2015. Lake George, one of the cleanest, clearest lakes in the nation, was changing, and not in a good way. Each winter, more than 190,000 tons of road salt were spread across the Adirondack Park. Much of this salt seeped into Lake George's streams, groundwater, and the lake itself. Road salt doesn't disappear. It builds up in our fragile ecosystem. It corrodes our infrastructure. Drinking water in wells become unusable. It even began to chemically change the makeup of the lake. Through the Lake George Association's collaboration with RPI and IBM and the Jefferson Project, the science was undeniable. Sodium and chloride levels were rising, and the threat was growing. However, road salt is a threat we can do something about, if we care enough to act. That's why 10 years ago, the Lake George Association and the Lake George Waterkeeper launched the Adirondack Champlain Regional Salt Summit to bring together all who were involved with this issue: scientists, municipalities, road crews, state leaders, and concerned citizens to study and solve the problem. The summit demonstrated with education in science, while increasing awareness with presentations and advocating for local, regional, and statewide change. The summit became a regional beacon, a place where science, innovation, and policy met the realities of winter road maintenance. An action-oriented style of directly attacking the problem was demonstrated and presented, bringing about smarter salting practices and reducing the use. From segmented plows to brining techniques, from new state legislation to local pilot programs, each year progress was shared and measured, ideas spread, practices and minds set on what we traditionally thought was possible changed. WIT Advisors and its SWIM program gave municipalities and businesses measurable, practical steps: measure, calibrate, prevent, analyze, improve, optimize. Simple steps that added up to major results. Innovative equipment and software programs were invented to help crews monitor usage rates per lane mile, remote camera systems to check brine effectiveness and road conditions, software to compile all of the data getting collected, ensuring that everyone could see in cold, hard facts that this new way of doing things was actually working. And the results are clear. Chloride levels in Lake George are flatlining and showing early signs of decline. Proof that science to solutions and coordinated community efforts work. This year's Salt Summit is more than a meeting. It's a milestone. 10 years of commitment, 10 years of innovation, 10 years of people willing to do the hard work to protect clean water. Today, we celebrate and we recommit to the next decade of progress, to the next generation of solutions, and to the future of Lake George and communities everywhere. Reducing road salt isn't just about saving a lake. It's about protecting what matters most: our health, our economy, our environment, our community, and our children's future.